Hello everyone, welcome to Cucina channel. Today we will unbox the Ballerini Modena 3-piece fry pan set. We will talk about some features and tell you where you can get it for the best price. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is just an empty box to hold everything in place so it doesn't move inside the box. Now, what comes with it? Registered your product, and this is some information. This set is made in Italy. They have been making it since 1889. Let's get it out. Wow, look at that. Let's put this box here and see what we got. Like I said, this is made in Italy. And what are the best features of this? It is non-stick. Also, a dishwasher safe. So you can actually put that in the dishwasher. So it comes in 3. This is the small size, which is 8-inch. What else we have here? We have 2 more. We have this bigger size, which is 12-inch. And what's here? No, this is actually the 10-inch. This is the 12-inch. This is the big cheese. Let's get everything out of the way first. So you get 3. Like I said, you get 3 in the set. One is 8-inch, 10-inch, and the big one is 12-inch. So like I said, you get the 8-inch, 10-inch, and the big one, the 12-inch. A way to store them is basically you put the 10 inside the 12 and the 8 inside. This is if you are planning on storing them like that. You can also hang them if you have a hook on the wall from this hole at the end of the handle. These are really nice. They feel like they are solid. They're heavy. Don't forget, at the end of the video, I will tell you the price in most stores and the best place to buy them at the lowest price by far anywhere in the USA. Personally, my favorite feature of the pan itself is the heating indicator element on the handle. This part here, you see that this is the handle, this is the heating element. There is one in each pan. This little part here lets you know when the pan is hot and ready to cook. When you put this first on the stove, this is red. So you put some oil, butter, whatever you want. Once the pan is hot enough and ready for the food, this red turns to green. So no more awaiting for when is it ready type of deal. Now, let me tell you about the price for the set. In most stores, it is sold for between $200 and $300. And when it goes on sale in most stores, it's sold for $159.95 or $148.99. Never, ever less. Now, listen very carefully because This is the best part of this video. Costco sells this set online only on Costco website. Repeat, online only, never in the store, for $99.99. That is $100 to $200 less than the retail price anywhere else. Here is another big news for you. Once or twice a year, Costco drops that $99.99 to $79.99. Imagine that. So keep your eyes open. If you are lucky, you might get it for that sale price, $79.99. And that is truly a steal. And it is the lowest price in the USA for this set. If you have these in your kitchen, please write a comment and share your experience with us and everyone else. You know what they say? Sharing is caring. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Greetings from Cozina.